Good morning friends. Today we are going to discuss about what are ions. This is the one of the very important part of chemistry needed to know, not only for the class 9. If you know this what are ions, it will be go on long for your career. That is means you can prepare it in class 10, 11, 12 in medical engineering examinations. So see, actually what are ions? Friends, a group of atom or a group of atoms bearing certain charges are called ions. And again speaking, an atom or a group of atoms, suppose we can say sodium, so it is an atom, so it represents sodium atom, or we can say chlorine, it is a chlorine atom. We can say sulfate, it is a group of atoms, group, it is an atom. It is also an atom of chlorine, atom of sodium, atom of chlorine, a sulfate. So it is a group of atoms, 5 atoms are there. So an atom or group of atoms bearing certain charges are called what? Ions. Suppose the sodium plus, so it is positive in nature, means it has what? Lost one electrons, so it is called an ion. You can say chlorine, it has more electron, one more electron gain, that means it is called negative, so it is an ion. So it is a sodium ion, it is a chlorine ion, and this is sulfate, it is also an ion. So these are the ions. An atom or a group of atoms bearing certain charges are called what? Ions. Okay friends, so ions are divided types. We can say ions are divided into two types. One is your positive ion and another is your negative ion. So positive ions are called cations, and negative are called anions. Okay friends, there are two types of ions, and cations and anions. These ions are again divided into three types, just like your monovalent, bivalent, and trivalent, like this. What do you mean by monovalent? If what an atom bearing a certain single charges, that is called a monovalent. If it's two charges are there, then it's called bivalent, and it is valence 3, then it's 4 or tetravalent. So we can write it trivalent. Here balance is 3. Okay, so these are called. Let us see examples of. Let us discuss some cations. Positive ions we can say. As we have told already, these are three parts: monovalent, bivalent, and trivalent. Okay friends, these are again divided into what? Monovalent, bivalent, and trivalent. These cations or positive ions are divided into three categories: monovalent, bivalent, trivalent, having single charge, double charge, single, double, and triple. Okay friends, so these are the types of what? Cations. So let us see the examples of monovalent. Here we can see monovalent: H plus, Na plus, potassium plus. So these are pairing a single charges. Monovalent we can say all these positive charges, only one ion in each case. Sodium plus we can write. So see, these are called monovalent ions. Okay friends, these are the examples of monovalent ions bearing certain single charges: H plus ion, Na plus ion, K plus ion. So these are called monovalent ions. Next come to bivalent ions. we can say bivalent magnesium 2 plus, calcium 2 plus, barium 2 plus. So see, all these positive ions or cations have only 2 charges, means their valence is 2. So we can say these are what? Bivalent, means double charges ions. Next come to triple charges or trivalent ions. So we can say example as aluminum 3 plus, ferrous 3 plus. We can say also what? Ferrous 3 plus, gold 3 plus, chromium 3 plus. These are called what? These are called these trivalent or triple positive charges. So these are the categories of what? Cations, positive ions. Next come to negative ions. Anions or negative ions. These are also divided into 3 types: monovalent, bivalent, and trivalent. Okay friends, monovalent, bivalent, and trivalent. Okay, let us see monovalent ion circle. Chlorine, example chlorine, bromine, Br minus ion, chlorine ion, bromine ion, we can say iodine, OH minus ion. So these are what? Negative ions. Next come to beryllium, bivalent ions. Bivalent, we can say sulfur 2 minus, oxygen 2 minus, negative charges. These are also negative charges. Carbonate ions. So these are called what? Bivalent ions. Next come to trivalent ions. Trivalent ions, you can say phosphorus 3 minus, what? Nitrogen 3 minus ions, triple ions. So we can say phosphate. So these are the what? Trivalent negative or trivalent anions. These are all about the ions. Thanks.